Hello everybody, and today I will be showing you guys how to make a simple information extractor using batch scripting. And so well, let's get started. So as you can see, I've already opened up a new notepad text file, so I'm just going to go ahead and type in, as always, @echo off. Oh, and a quick note before I get to the rest of the scripting. This video is intended for beginner to intermediate batch programmers. So if you are completely new to batch and you just don't know anything and you just don't get this at all, I would highly recommend you go see some other tutorials on just the basic command and other things about it, and just kind of get some background information about it. After that, I would recommend that you come back and try it on your own. Although, if you want, you can always just copy exactly what I type. I'm pretty sure I'm going to put all the whole script in the description, so you can do that as well. You can just copy it and paste it, and follow me word for word. But if you really want to kind of understand more what's going on, I would recommend you kind of look up some more beginner information and knowledge and stuff. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is set your variable. So set and then the name of your variable. In this case, we'll be using info. And then you just want to say equals, and then you're going to set the original value of your variable, so that basically this is just the error message you'll get this is the error message you'll get if your program didn't run properly and the information wasn't collected right. So I'm just gonna name it. I'm gonna make the error message say info extraction unsuccessful. So anyways, it doesn't really matter what you put there. Anyway, so and then I'm going to set /p info, and then I'm going to do the message that the program will display at the top, above where or next to where you'll enter the actual information you want to save. So I'm just going to say enter info and then press enter. Oops, there we go. And then press enter, and after that I'm going to put a semicolon, and then I'm going to get to the main part about it. So what you're going to want to do is echo, then the name of the variable inside the parentheses, and then this is the part where you kind of extract it. So you're going to do 2 forward slashes after that, and then you are going to come up with a name for the text file you want the program to create and store the information in. So I know this may all sound confusing, but I'm pretty sure you'll understand once I run it and kind of show you a little bit more. So just bear with me. So I'm going to name the file to hold the information. I'm just going to call it info holder. Holder. And then .txt, that's what you're going to want to put to save it. Oops. I'm just going all over the place. Oopsies. Okay, echo, and then you're just going to want to name it, like I said, txt, because, oh my goodness, I'm very sorry. Okay, oh my gosh, txt. I'm very sorry. Anyway, so name it as txt, and that's actually all the coding you'll need to know. So, yeah, not too much. I'll still put it in the description, but yeah, not too much to know. And so, file save as, and this is another customary batch scripting thing to know, basically. So I'm gonna name it info. Let's call it info extractor. No, let's call it info. Yeah, extractor, I guess. I don't know. extractor dot bat. And we're good. So save. So it should save to my desktop. So here it is. Here's the actual program itself. I'm dragging it around right now. So I'll put it down in the middle of the screen, and let's give it a go. So first I open it up, and the color is like this because it's nothing I did. Don't worry, it won't be like this on yours. But anyways, so this is the message that we had. So we're going to enter the So we're going to enter the information. So let's just go testing 1 2 1 2, and then let's just do a couple of random letters. So now and press enter, and so that'll immediately close it. And I don't know if you noticed, but right here it actually created a text file. So the information that I put into or entered into the program now was saved into a folder. But since that folder did not exist, the folder was created and then the information was put in it. So there's all the information, and if you notice, the name of this matches the name of the text file I put in the code. So anyway, so let's see what happens if we don't save. We're just gonna keep it as is, and so we're gonna see what happens if I enter something else. What happens if I enter another one? So let's see, test number 2, and then a couple more just random letters, and press enter. So let's see what happens. So it didn't create another folder, if you notice, but instead what it should have done is it saved it below it. It saved it, or I think I had this somewhere else. Anyways, so it saved it in the same one, so it just skipped a line and saved it in the same one. So let's see what happens if we clear this out. So let's just clear this completely out, and then exit and save. And so then let's try it again. So let's do test number 3 and random letters. Okay, so now press enter, and here we are, and there it is. So that's pretty much it. Oh wait, let me show you just one more quick thing. I promise. I'm sorry. So let's just delete this, or basically send it to the recycling bin, and let's try just one more thing. So if I delete that, basically you probably can guess what happens. But so test, I'm just gonna do 4 blah blah blah, press enter. Since I deleted it, it creates another one, and yet again there's the information. So this is just the basic information extractor, basically. So I hope to add on to this how to add other features, other to create multiple text files to save different parts of it, and just basically build off of this. But this is just kind of the basic thing I wanted to start out with, and so I guess I'll sign off now. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to you soon.